CG Esports is the second team to represent Malaysia in the M7 World Championship. You know what time it is? Hands in. Chico is back. And for people who have been watching MPL Malaysia, this was the guy from Todak until he wasn't anymore. This year was such a proving year para sa CG Esports specifically. Kasi para makarating sila at mag-qualify sila for this season, they had to be part of the development league ng MPL MY, which is yung MAL Malaysia. During their stint from the early portions of the year, they were able to win against teams that were at the bottom half ng MPL MY from last season. Kung kaya for season 16, naging parte sila nun. This was a team that was heavily tested and yet they've showed impressive results. Masasabi mo na kapag nasa developmental team, there might be some doubts kung kaya ba nila mag-perform o kaya ba nila mag-exceed dun sa performance nila. And yet, for a team na kakagaling lang sa MAL, they finished the regular season as the second seed. Hindi naman natin maitatanggi na yung iba sa mga players ng CG Esports ay matagal na talagang nagko-compete sa MLBB scene. To give props specifically kay Chico tsaka kay Valens, who are household names in Malaysia that had to go through that process of being relegated, promoted, at ngayon parte na sila ulit ng M-World Championship. Sobrang laking bagay na napatunayan nila yung kanilang mga sarili. When people were calling them washed, people kind of already counted them out just because majority of the people think na hindi na nila kaya maipagsabayan sa mga current. The old gods of Malaysia have proven everybody wrong. And of course, major shoutouts din kay Coach Cody Banks, which is a Filipino import coach para dito sa CG Esports. At nakuha nila yung panalo, thus making it to the M7 World Championship. Posible pa silang lason? We're about to find out tomorrow dahil makakaharap nila ulit ang SRG OG, which are undeniably the titans of their respective region.